Village comitteeni chongbari फाइनाय जून talni paithak hatiwo khlainani bagui kerongno kotoro affidavit rikha haste hapang srang shalo saklaimani ulo okokno sawaikhnarika Tripura mothani kerongkrung TTDC village comitteeni chongbari no tuyoi srang shalo kerongno kotoro saklaikha hinke फाइनाय जून talni paithak hati bukhak village comitteeni chongbari khlai manano hinai kerongno kotoro affidavit rikha haste hapang okokno sawaikhnarika Tripura mothani wngnai batainai kerongkrung
matter regarding BC election matter. Today Supreme Court accepted the affidavit submitted by the State Election Commission. In their affidavit, State Election Commission have mentioned that they submitted their schedule of the village committee election, and they have in their affidavit that they will complete the process, including the declaration of result by end of June 2026. That is the last week. By last week of June 2026, they will complete the process, including the declaration of the result of the village committee election. Then the court accepted. And second issue is that regarding the pending of the bills, this matter has been listed in the court number 14, and the court admitted the writ petition filed by the TTDC regarding the pending of bills. And this matter accepted, so now court will send a notice to the respondents. Regarding BC election matter, this matter again listed on 20 May 2026. So now the BC election will be done under the supervision of the Honorable Apex Court.
Village comitteeni chongbari ni kokno kare TTDC ni bara bill tongmani no botui saklaikai hinai sakha Tripura mothani kerongkrung.
Sir, who appeared on behalf of the respondent and the petitioners?
For the bills pending, for bill pendings and for the village committee election. For village committee election, on behalf of the petitioner, Mr. Gopal Narayanan appeared on behalf of the petitioner, that is Maharashtra Project, and on behalf of the TTDC, I myself appeared on behalf of TTDC. And for the State Election Commission and the rest of the respondent, that is the State Election Commission, State Government, Union of India, Learned Attorney General Mr. Venkatramani appeared on behalf of the respondents. For TTDC I have appeared, and for the bills pending, just Mr. Divan, senior advocate, appeared on behalf of the petitioner, and none appeared because today is the first day for the admission stage, so none appeared on behalf of the respondents in the matter related to bills pending. Thank you.
Shanaklayo village committee chongbari laithangnai 2016 BC ni shimino ongya kachajak TTDC Act 1994 BC by khobjak salkologromoi gram committee chongbari pandani bagai hakotoni chongbari commission ni dakti no dagima sanmongrugei kaisa koimungni saklaikha kerongno kotoro TTDC chongbari by village committee ni chongbari khlainani bagai kerongno kotoro koimungrimani Tripura mothani bukhaktei. Bureau report News Now.